Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're plunging into the captivating universe of cryptocurrency passive profits, navigating the digital investment landscape. The crypto market's evolution has made the search for passive income opportunities more thrilling than ever. Let's get started. First, a refresher on cryptocurrency basics is in order. From Bitcoin to altcoins, a firm grasp of the digital currency landscape is vital for making informed investment decisions. So what's passive income and how does it fit into the crypto world? We'll untangle this concept and explore how cryptocurrencies can provide a unique wellspring of ongoing hands-free profits. First on our list are staking and yield farming, two favored methods for earning passive income in the crypto world. Staking requires locking up your coins to support the network, while yield farming takes a more proactive approach to generate returns. But remember, rewards come hand in hand with risks. Next, we venture into the realm of masternodes, where participants offer specific services to the network and receive additional cryptocurrency in return. We'll also discuss the game-changing impact of decentralized finance, DeFi, on passive income, despite its complexities. For those aiming to leverage their crypto assets, lending and borrowing present intriguing possibilities. We'll break down the mechanics, identify the involved platforms, and guide you through managing associated risks. Automated trading, especially with the aid of trading bots, has gained popularity. These bots promise to execute strategies and generate profits on your behalf. It's a hands-off approach, but what should you consider? Stay tuned. Diversification is crucial in any investment strategy, and the crypto world is no exception. We'll highlight the importance of spreading your investments and implementing effective risk management to safeguard those hard-earned passive profits. And that wraps up our journey through cryptocurrency passive profits. From staking to DeFi and beyond, the digital investment landscape brims with opportunities. Bear in mind, while the potential for passive income is enticing, staying informed and exercising caution is paramount. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the crypto world, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy investing!